If you've ever needed to update a word, fix a repeated typo, or swap out a phrase across a document, Microsoft Word's Find and Replace feature is one of the fastest tools you can learn. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Find and Replace in Microsoft Word in a simple, beginner-friendly way. This can save you tons of time, especially in longer documents, reports, essays, or any file where you need to make the same edit over and over again. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Microsoft Word tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the document you want to edit in Microsoft Word. Once your file is open, the quickest way to bring up the Find and Replace tool is to press Ctrl and H on your keyboard. That shortcut opens the Find and Replace window right away, so you do not have to dig through menus. This is the fastest method, and it works great whether you are using Word for school, work, or personal projects. When the Find and Replace box appears, you will see two important fields. The first one is labeled Find What. This is where you type the word or phrase you want Microsoft Word to search for in your document. For example, if you want to replace a company name, a repeated word, or an old term you no longer want to use, type it here exactly as it appears in the document. The second field is Replace With. This is where you type the new word or phrase that you want Word to insert instead. Let's say you type the old word in Find What and the new word in Replace With. You now have two main options. If you want to review each change one at a time, click Replace. Word will move through the document and let you control each individual replacement. This is helpful if you want to make sure every change is correct before it is applied. On the other hand, if you are confident that every instance should be changed, you can click Replace All. That will update every matching word or phrase in the document at once. That said, it is always a good idea to be careful with Replace All, especially if the word appears in multiple places but should not always be changed. For example, some words may appear in headings, names, or specific terms where the meaning is different. A quick review before clicking Replace All can help prevent mistakes and save you from having to undo changes later. If you want even more control, you can use Find Next to jump through each result one by one, then choose whether to replace it or skip it. This is especially useful in longer documents where the same word appears many times. It gives you the flexibility to keep the edits accurate while still making the process much faster than manually searching through the document yourself. Another helpful tip is to double-check spelling and spacing before you replace anything. Find and Replace works best when the text is entered correctly, so make sure there are no extra spaces, punctuation errors, or capitalization mistakes if you need an exact match. The more precise you are, the better your results will be. Once you finish replacing the text, take a moment to scroll through the document and review the changes. This final check helps confirm that everything looks clean and that the replacements make sense in context. And if something does not look right, you can always use Undo to reverse the last action. So that is how to use Find and Replace in Microsoft Word. It is a simple tool, but it can dramatically speed up your editing process and make document cleanup much easier. If this tutorial helped you, please give the video a like and subscribe for more quick Microsoft Word tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.